Hello all my lovely friends out there. Welcome back to my channel. This is Shilpi. So today we are going to talk about shopping and saving. Yes, you heard me correct. There are ways when you can shop and still save. In this video, I'm going to give you some smart tips to save while you shop. So don't forget to watch the video till the very end. So let's begin. So the tip number 1 is to use the cashback apps. There are various apps present in the market that gives you cashback when you shop through them. So one of my favorite cashback app or website is the Rakuten.com or the Rakuten app. It's an online portal that rewards you for shopping with its partner. So its partner range from department store to travel booking websites. If you're looking for a particular item from a particular store, then you go and check out in the Rakuten app. If there are any deals or cashback and coupons there present, you can select it and it will redirect you to one website, and there you make a regular transaction. Your coupons and deals would be applied before the checkout, and once your transaction is complete, the Rakuten website will give you some cashback, and quarterly they send you a check or you can get it directly into your PayPal account. So it's the most easiest way to earn money while you're shopping. Also, Rakuten has some browser extension that you can add to your browser, and it will automatically find the deals and codes and apply before the checkout during online shopping. It's a very smart way to earn money. I will leave a link of the Rakuten app and the Rakuten browser extension in the description box below. The sign up is free. Also, in addition to that, you will get some welcome bonus, so you can earn cash while shopping. Similar to Rakuten, there are other cashback websites that are present in other countries also. For example, in India, there are cashback websites like cashkaro.com and coupondunia.com that works the similar way. Do check out the links for cashback and Coupon Dunia also in the description box below. The next smart tip is to use the Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is an app where you can scan receipts and earn points. The receipts can be anything ranging from grocery to shopping for pets, convenience store, fuel, pharmacy, dining, restaurants, clothing, apparels, electronics to e-receipts. You can also link your Amazon account and your email account for any online receipts that you have, and you can earn points for that also. In addition to that, there are various items on which they have additional points going on. They also have partnered with various brands, like Huggies is a partner of Fetch Rewards. So when you buy a Huggies product, you also enter into Huggies rewards. So you get additional rewards from Huggies as well. Accumulate all your points, then you can redeem for gift cards. It keeps a repository of all your receipts. They give analytics also. It's like an add-on benefit. Very convenient and very easy to use. This is my all-time favorite app. I will leave a link in the description box below for you to download it, and once you download it, you get a sign-up bonus and you get some additional joining bonus rewards. So my next smart tip is to use browser extension. My all-time favorite browser extension is the Honey browser extension. It promises to help you find the best coupon code that you can apply to get additional discount for your online order completion. Instead of opening separate tabs and looking and checking out for coupons and deals online, it automatically does that for you and it applies. In addition to that, if you are a Honey member, then Honey reward program, in which if you enroll and sign up, you get some additional points. You can get some surprise bonuses also. So we'll leave a link of the Honey extension down in the description box below. Do download and add it to your favorite browser. This generally works with all the major browsers like Chrome, Opera, Firefox. Do check it out. Then there is a cashback app called Ibotta, where you select the deals and the brands where you want to shop. I will check out any discounts or any offers that are going on for that particular item in that particular store, and I will add that coupon in my Ibotta app, and once I have done my shopping, I'll just scan the receipts. Points would be added and I can transfer it to my PayPal account and I can get real cash for it. So my next smart tip is to sign up for memberships. there are particular websites or there are stores that you frequently visit, I would suggest you to get the membership and sign up for the emails or the promotions and deals. In that way, when you sign up for the first time, there is always some discount codes that is available. If you are a continuous or a frequent customer, there are reward points that they give, and once you accumulate that, then you can get additional discounts and deals. For example, I have signed up for my regular grocery store that I frequently visit. So in addition to getting the points on my receipts while scanning, I also get the additional discounts and deals while shopping through them. Get the app and you can get additional discounts. So my next smart tip is to sign up for P&G, that is Procter & Gamble. It's an American consumer good which has a lot of globally marketed brands. All the major brands that we use in a daily life like Downy, Ariel, Olay, Oral-B, Pampers, Pantene, like so many brands part of P&G. Once you sign up for their website and their emails, so if you buy any of the brands belonging to P&G, you get additional reward points that you can redeem for gift cards to major stores like Starbucks, Domino's and their partner brands. You can buy these products from any of the retail store anywhere, and you can just scan the receipts and get this additional points to sign up for their website and their membership. The next smart tip is to give some kind of additional personal information while signing up for membership. What I generally like to give in terms of personal information is usually the birth dates, my anniversary dates, and in some cases, if I really like the brand and if I really want to know their additional deals and coupons, I even give my phone number. So when you give your birthdays and anniversary, there are many websites that gives you free discounts and freebies on your birthday. So in that way, you can get additional discounts and save extra goodies on your birthday. I will leave a link of the website that generally gives birthday freebies. So my last tip is, if before buying any expensive products or big ticket items, do check out the second hand or used goods market. There are many big stores as well as online apps where you can buy and sell used items in good condition, like OfferUp, the Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Declutter, Wishlist, Craigslist. There are different stores like thrift stores, charity stores, Goodwill, where you can buy and sell the used goods. Check out the description box below. I have linked some of my favorite second-hand stores, so check them out. So in conclusion, what I generally do in order to stack up my saving is, if I want to buy a product, I first see if it is available in the browser extensions or in the Rakuten or any cashback app. Then I go and shop through them if I want to shop online. With the e-receipts or the physical receipts that I get, I put them in the fetch rewards and get additional points. I try to get membership of the stores that I frequently visit or the brands that gives me better deals. I earn those points, redeem them for gift card. Also, I try to give my personal information to get additional discounts on my birthdays, anniversaries. That's how you can shop and still save. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos on beauty, pregnancy, motherhood, lifestyle and well-being. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.